guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another recipe video with you guys. I'm going to be making penne pasta with smoked sausage. I just got off of work, so I am super hungry. I last ate lunch at like 10 a.m. and it's 6:30 right now, so let's get cooking. So these are all the ingredients you need for this recipe. You need some penne pasta, of course, cream of celery, a can of peas. This is mozzarella cheese, and then I have chicken hardwood smoked sausage. You can use turkey sausage or beef, whichever you prefer. And then some crispy fried onions, and I'll also be using a little bit of milk. So I'm going to start preheating the oven to 375. And then I'm going to be slicing up the sausage and cooking it in the skillet. I'm going to start boiling my water for the pasta as well. Okay, so I just sliced everything up. Now we're just going to brown the sausage in the pan with a little bit of oil. I have it over medium heat. Okay, so now that our water is boiling, I'm going to pour the pasta into the pot. And this is a 16 ounce box, and so I just had about half in the box, so I poured it all in there, and we're going to cook that for 11 to 12 minutes. Okay, so now the sausage has browned a little bit. I'm going to put it into a large bowl. And I'm going to put the can of soup in. And the peas, I already drained them. The whole can goes in. I'm going to be adding 1.5 cups of milk to the bowl. And then I'm going to be adding about half a cup of these French fried onions. These are just the original onions, but the recipe calls for the cheddar ones if you're able to get them. I couldn't find mine at the store. But I've also used the caramelized onion, French onions, and that was really good too. Half a cup of our mozzarella cheese, and then mix it up. Now I'm going to strain the pasta. So I just transferred the cooked noodles to a greased 9x13 baking dish. And then I'm going to add the sausage and cream mixture to the pasta and mix it all together. And once it's all mixed, it should look something like this. And now I'm going to cover the pan with tinfoil, and we're going to bake it in the oven for 20 minutes. So this is what it looks like after it's been in the oven for 25 minutes. And now we're going to sprinkle on the rest of the crispy fried onions and the rest of the cheese and bake it uncovered for 5 more minutes. Okay, so just like that, and now I'm going to bake it for 5 more minutes uncovered. And this is what the dinner looks like after it's baked uncovered for 5 minutes. It seriously looks so good, and I know it's delicious because I've made it before. It's so good. You guys have to try this out for sure. This dish is seriously so good. You guys really have to try it out. I highly recommend it. It's a little bit sweet, a little bit salty, and it's just such a good comfort food. I love pasta. It's one of my favorites. I will, of course, leave the recipe in the description box with all the instructions and everything there for you to make it yourself. It's so easy. It only took me about 45 minutes. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoy videos like this, and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!